Up YouTube, man. I know I've been away for a minute. Man. We back in the video. What's good, gang? What's good? Turn me up, man. I'm out with the boys. My brother Aaron. Got my nigga Jay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ugly. Them bitches fire. Them motherfuckers fire. Yeah, my boy. Hey, that's Chevy boy right there. That Chevy boy came in a cat. No kizzy. Damn.
Okay, hey, come here.
Oh my God.
That boy came correct.
Oh God. He came correct.
He don't even got no logo. That's the best. No logo.
That's the best. No logo. CJ don't got one either. Look. CJ don't got one either. That's how the cats come, the new cats.
got one on the back though.
Yeah, oh my God. Oh my fucking God. These niggas came crazy. Bro. Look, man, safe, man. We do this shit for real. Stop playing with me and my niggas, man. Red Keys, all 2025. Oh my God. Stacks, tell them what's up with it, bro.
Hey, that's what happens when you got a bunch of rich friends.
Damn. Oh, shit. God damn. Red Keys, all 2025. God damn. Bro, I can't wait, bro. I swear to God, bro. I'm about to come crazy. Hey, I'm about to come crazy on these niggas, bro. God. Ugh. That bitch tough as fuck, bro. Got the red seats in that bitch.
You said you finna do what?
He got it.
You finna do what?
He got it. Oh, he got it. Oh my. Hey, pop the hood, bro. Pop the hood, bro. Yeah. Damn. Oh my God.
Cut the light off.
Cut the light off, nigga. He said, catch a nigga slipping at the light, make his heart drop. Cut the green beam on, make his car stop.
Niggas don't play in this bitch.
Oh God, niggas about, hey Aaron, what you doing with the scat, bro? What's up, man?
That bitch finna go, I ain't gonna
That
lie.
bitch finna go. Oh, he said I gotta get slurpy
Your
real quick.
case feel nice.
Oh! You gotta pop lock and drop it for that bitch. Damn! Oh my fuck! God.
You see how we coming out here? See how we coming? Hey, not one.
Hey, not one, but
we in the O with it. We in the O with it.
Hey, Red Keys all
Hey, Red Keys
2025. Red
Hey.
Keys all 2025.
Hey, my
man.
shit in the car.
Hey, look. My boy Ant and Jay, they in them scats, nigga. You can't forget about the scats, nigga. That's where the cats go. But look though, we all about coming them cats, nigga. Oh my.
Hey, not me. I'm coming track.
Oh.
I gotta come track.
I gotta come wide body tally cat. Yeah, oh my.
I gotta come track hop before.
Tracking on there.
I'm coming tracking on it.
Damn.
Hey, like feeling like that. Hey, I'm coming, boy.
Oh! 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 Oh shit! Look at that shit, bro. That shit beautiful. That shit beautiful. Red Keys all 2025, brother, man.
Oh, you got the, okay, I got the black band. I was like, he got the red eye. I'm like, look at the black band on there too.
He got the same hood though.
Huh?
Same hood.
Yeah, why his shit look like? I mean, I got a lot of custom in it too.
This bitch shit.
Engine bay clean and everything.
Oh God. Hey, we coming, bro. We coming, bro. What's up?
Hey,
we coming.
My shit in the work.
We coming. You coming, brother?
Oh,
Yeah, we coming. You know it. You know it. Bro, wait till it's like 5 of these bitches lined up. Nigga, 6. Hell yeah. It is coming. Hey, look though, man. I've been away for some time, bro. I got salty as fuck about my car, bro. I started vlogging, man. I'm back vlogging, man, consistently for sure. I ain't stopping, foot on the gas. Hey, I got a surprise for y'all real soon. Man, I'm coming, man. I'm coming, man. This shit suck, bro. I swear to God. Man, we in a bowling alley, man. We're getting started. Bro, put them shoes on, bro. I can't wear those, bro. I don't never wear these, bro. I don't never wear these. These the ugliest shits in America, man. These shits is ugly as fuck.
Hey. These right here is the bow, though, bro.
These ugly. What the fuck are those?
I can't bowl it, too, bro.
Hey, who going first, though? Who going first? Little ass dreads. Niggas dreads. Little ass dreads. 392J. Hey, what's your name for the beat?
Huh?
What's your name for the beat on the board?
My name finna be Ant. Strikeout Ant.
Strikeout Ant? Oh. Hey, we doing that? Hey, we doing that, CJ? You gonna put your name up there? Nah, put that.
Stacks, though, 717?
Oh, 717 stacks? What we doing? 717 stacks. Oh.
No, I got y'all.
Like this 797? I got to bet these
You gotta be at the top everywhere, bitch.
We got to bet the highest one, though.
Oh, God.
The highest
Oh, God.
speed.
Bro, 717 stacks, nigga. Stop fucking playing with him,
Hey,
bro.
what we should do, we should put our Instagram.
Nah, bro, keep the car name up there. Keep the car name up there. Hey, you about to see what my name finna be. Hey, y'all about to see what my name. Yeah, I do. I'm a cat boy.
Hey, sell it out.
Hellcat shit only. I ain't doing no Camaros no more, bro. Camaros the new Mustangs, bro.
Bro, what?
Oh.
Don't ever disrespect
You can't
me
say
like
nothing, bro. You can't say nothing, bro. You just got a cat, bro.
that. I don't mean no love.
He said it all started with the SS, though.
I still got love for the Marrows.
Oh, bro.
Hey, start that game up.
Start that game up.
You vlogging off that?
Yeah, I'm vlogging. Ooh. Can I do a fit check real quick? Ooh.
Washington?
Hey, I need Jaden to win. Look at him. He popping this shit. Jaden to do this thing. I need Jaden to. Jaden! Oh! Is that Tutty?
I need this ball down so bad. I always play Kyle McCann with drive.
Do it for the YouTube, man. Show me a strike. I understand now.
I understand now.
I understand now.
Hey, that nigga said,
I understand now.
hey, Dewey.
Oh, they getting their ass beat.
You already know who's gonna come out on top, though.
You already know who's gonna come out on top, though.
2 strikes in.
Oh God, 2 strike in.
Hurry up.
Oh yeah, turn me up.
Hey!
Oh, that's too much power, bro. That's that
understand now?
717, bro.
You understand now?
That's too much power.
Nah, look, he understand
now. Hey, that's that. He got too much power. That 717 cat.
You understand now? Hey, do you really
Come on, Stacks. I understand now. 717. That's that horsepower. Bro, you got too much horsepower like a cat, bro. You gotta slow down like a Marrow again, bro. Oh yeah, show me some 2 strike ant.
2 strike, yeah.
Oh, 40s and shorties. Oh.
Ooh, this close.
Oh. I understand now.
I understand now.
Come on, Jaden.
It might be slow.
Come on, Jaden. Toddy. Hey, I got Commanders in the Super Bowl. Remember that. I got Commanders in the bottom. I got, bro, they gonna sneak in there, I'm telling you, bro. They about to sneak in there, bro, I'm telling y'all, bro. He's sipping that Yale. Pull up, sipping that drink. Oh. Oh. Cat boys. Cat boys. Red keys. Red keys. Oh. Oh.
Hey, hold that for me real quick.
Red all in there.
Oh, that's it.
Red all in there. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let me see if you understand now. Two left. You don't understand yet.
I understand shit.
Oh, stop bullshit. Hit a strike, bro. You understand? You understand something?
I understand something. Well, guess what?
One left. One left.
You understand something? Hey, watch this.
Let's go. One left. One left. Show me something. One last spin left.
I understand now.
Show me something. You don't understand yet.
You don't understand.
You don't. I said you don't understand yet. Hold on, I gotta take my hoodie off, gang. You understand now? Let me see. Gutter. Oh!
He understands now.
Shit.
Understand that shit, nigga.
Oh. My last game, I just wanted to beat that shitty ass nigga Jay right there. Hey, everybody comment Jay a bitch. Jay shitty. Jay shitty. He got my uncle pants and my granddad pants on. He thought
He got them straight legged blue jeans on.
he thought he was lucky when he put that shit on. We going to a gas station.
He came fucking cat.
Daddy. Oh shit. Oh shit. Big cat, nigga.
Shit.
Oh,
He got a cat.
Oh,
My niggas are coming cat.
can we hear that? Catty big cat. Whoa. Oh. If it ain't a cat, I don't want it. If it ain't a Hellcat, I don't want it. Hit that shit, brother. Hit that shit.
I got the Lincoln Nautilus.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I like that. The MKZ my thing, man.
Dude, that's a Nautilus.
Yeah.
Yo, that good dude, it's like, I'll run behind you.
Yeah. Yeah. These both cats. Ooh. Show me some, brother. Oh. Ben, what you coming, bro? What you coming? Tell him what you coming.
I gotta come.
Ooh. Beamer? Oh. Stage 3? Oh, shit. Coming walk, buddy. Cat. Coming around so we ain't gonna say too much. Cat, back to back cat, man. Back to back cat, man. Damn, y'all look like some YNs hopping out that thing. Hey. Damn, you do need some. He do need some. One more time. Hit that shit, brother. Oh, make it rain on the cat. Make it rain on the cat. One more time. Man, it's the end of the bid, man. You know. It's a lot of cat owners in here, man. Future Hellcat owner right there. Yeah, that. Damn, is that red one getting striped? Oh. Oh man, like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know what the fuck we doing, man. Yes, sir. We in them catty McCatties. Hey, mine coming soon, man. Y'all already know what I'm finna turn it up, man. I'm gonna turn it up with my brothers, man. Y'all already know, but like, comment, subscribe. See y'all. I'm back consistent. Let's go.